Hey everyone, Heavy here. Bitcoin trades in a remarkably tight range, and the WallStreetBets forum page shows almost as much growth as a GameStop stock price. Today we will be talking about cryptocurrency price action as well as the continued GameStop mania going into the new week. Thank you for joining me in another episode of Cold Plunge every day until Bitcoin 50K. Today's temperature is 52 degrees Fahrenheit, and the pool is sitting at a toasty 55 degrees. Crypto Cold Plunge! So you can see how much cleaner the pool is today. That's why I didn't swim in it yesterday. There's like two big old tabs of chlorine sitting in the water, and so the water is like really chlorinated. And yesterday it was actually so chem saturated that the water was slightly cloudy, so I decided to wait a day for it to kind of dissipate a little bit and, you know, get absorbed. But now you can see it almost looks like we have an infinity pool here. We got rain last night, and that was after they had filled it up. So we've now been soaking for a few minutes. Time for our daily underwater meditation. So I think it's time to go and take a look at the candlesticks and our news. Now that we've done our cold plunge, let's take a look at our charts for today. The first one we'll start off with is Bitcoin here. We can see over the last 48 hours, it's been trading in a fairly tight range. Ever since the bump that we got from Elon Musk, putting hashtag Bitcoin in his bio, we've been holding pretty steady, because if we zoom out, we can see that a typical day's range is can vary quite significantly. As I mentioned a few weeks ago, Bitcoin's annualized volatility is extremely high and only rivals other names like that of Tesla. So when we get a pretty calm period like this in Bitcoin, it's definitely something to take notice of. It's holding the mid 33,000 level pretty good. The 34,000 is a fairly important level, because as we can see, there's been a number of other times that it's been rejected off of that local area. Moving on over to Ethereum, it's continuing to consolidate within that pattern that we've been looking at. We can see on Friday it bounced off the 1440 level again, formed this real nice inside candle right here. So this is on the daily chart. So Saturday was an inside day from Friday. Generally, an inside day is a pretty bullish signal. And we can see just in the few hours of trading we have on Sunday, we're inside of even that. So the trading's really tightening up here. And then finally, our update on the Dogecoin continues to trade sideways. If we zoom way out, we can see how significant our recent price action has been in Dogecoin. Even the candles on the far right side look pretty small, especially compared to the ones that we were seeing a couple days ago. But if we compare that to the last few weeks, we can see that this is extreme price volatility. Finally, if we come over to the now infamous WallStreetBets subreddit, we can see that they currently have 7.4 million users now. To put that into perspective, they had under 2 million users on Monday. So one of the only things to rival the rise in GameStop's price has been the number of users on the WallStreetBets page. Also, I think something that's interesting to note is the number of users on the WallStreetBets page that are buying billboards around the country. So you can see this billboard will be showing in Denver. This person bought 7 billboards in Orlando, billboard in Baltimore, billboards in Utah, billboards in Minnesota, billboards in Texas, and finally we have billboards in Times Square. And that does it for today's cold plunge every day until Bitcoin 50K. I hope you guys got some value out of that, and as always, if I missed something or you want to see me talk about something, please leave a comment below. I would love to start a conversation with you, and I hope you all have a great day. See you tomorrow.